how to download and install Quotex app. So if you want to download and install Quotex app, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store if you're using your Android, and you need to go with your App Store if you're using your iOS device. So once you open up your stores, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Quotex. Once you search here, you will have the Quotex investing platform. So if you want to install or download this application, you just need to simply tap on install. Once you tap on install, it will start the installing process, and it may take some time to download the application. So just wait for a few seconds or for a few minutes to download the application. And once it's downloaded, on the right side, you will have the open option. You can simply tap on open, and you can log in to your account, or you can go with register and you can create your account. So that's how you can download and install the application of Quotex. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.